Today is Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020, and your cherry bomb trade is in today. And I'm going to wish you guys right from the get-go here, happy holidays. Whatever holiday you're celebrating this time of year, if you're celebrating one, I hope it's a happy, merry, all that good stuff, right? Today, we're hopefully going to put a trade on in Netflix. Netflix has a liquidity score of, as you can see right there by the drops up there, 3 out of 4. It has an IV rank of 15, which is pretty low, and it has earnings coming up in about the middle of January 2021. This trade is got some variations from the standard tasty trade mechanics. So stay tuned. We're going to hop in and take a look at this inside of our simulated trading platform of choice, ThinkOrSwim. So here we are, we're inside of that platform right now, and I just wanted to introduce myself really briefly. My name is Neil, and I am so grateful that you clicked on this video. And what we do here, and we'd love for you to join us by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell, is we build out a portfolio of trades using ThinkOrSwim's simulated trading platform, so we get all the learning without the risk. So go ahead and join us. Down below in the description, you'll find a link to go sign up for Tasty Trade's Cherry Bomb emails. They come out from Tasty Trade with trade ideas 4 days a week, and most of our trades come from those, and we test out our mechanics, testing out our theories. So if you ring that bell when you subscribe, you'll be able to get notified when our videos come out so you can get these trades on too. All right. With that said, I've got on screen here my account statement tab. I've done a video on this account statement tab months ago, but hopefully I'll have the time to put a card that slides across up top there. So if you wanted to go watch on how to take advantage of this particular feature in ThinkOrSwim, the account statement tab, that might be for you. All right, I've got it pulled up in a way where I've got Netflix shown, and just in the past 45 days, if we've done any trades there, but also you can see down there in profits and losses where that Netflix is up in rank number 2 for where we've made the most money this year. $590 was Netflix has given us. Thank you, Netflix, as a reward for our taking risks. Right? So here we're going to try to take a little more and see what happens. But we can't do that from this screen. So let's head over to this Analyze tab. Click on Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be, and here's where with the first variation, it's pretty close to 45 days. It's not a crazy variation, right? But you don't often see us taking positions, when we follow cherry bomb trades that are at this, that are above the 45-day mark. I feel like it's always maybe slightly less, but no, I can't say that because here's one where we're looking at 58 days to expiration, trading through earnings. So we're going to be doing looking at a long call vertical. Remember, I'm not telling you what to do. That's not my job. We are learning here and testing our theories in a safe environment. All right. So what we're looking at doing is going long the 525 call. So you would click on the ask for that here, and then you would hold down the control key and click on the bid for the 530. That would build you out here a nice long call vertical, as it says. We have one contract. I've done a video on how to modify your defaults so that this says one contract instead of 10. But if you want to do 10 and you feel that position size is appropriate for your risk tolerance, go ahead and do that. And yeah, we're looking at paying $2.13 multiplied by your standard multiplier. You're looking at spending $213 on this trade. Think of these trades as bets where you're with a friend, where you're putting $2.13 or $213 down on betting on your favorite team, which one's going to win, right? And these are absolutely directional plays when you do these. You want Netflix to move in the right direction, because otherwise, if it sits where it is, time will work against you. So let's see how this all works by going to the risk profiles. So we have up on screen here the risk profile. I've shrunk really my x-axis, the prices on the bottom, to be able to fit this light gray area in the screen, which is the expected move in that time frame. Well, what time frame? Make sure your date up here is set to expiration here, which is this turquoise date here. So I've clicked on this, And that's where, and I just moved my price slice by accident. I should know better by now. Well, if I want this price slice to be right here at break even and expiration, I go to this little menu icon, choose set slices, break even, not today, but at expiration. And we can see that this trade is not favorable for us to end, at expiration in a profit zone. But one of the things you get if you sign up for those emails, have you done that yet? Down in the description below, right? You'll get the P50, which is a metric that comes out of Tastyworks. And while I do have Tastyworks pulled up, I guess I should show it to you that it's there, right? So here we are in Tastyworks. Apparently I was looking at the chart for Netflix just to see if I really feel particularly bullish on it. And I'm kind of more neutral, but neutral to slightly bearish right now, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and look at the P50 right there. So here's the same trade put in there. There's a 68% probability of us being able to take 50% of that max profit and walk away. So what is our max profit? Well, it's the width of the strikes minus what we pay for it. In this case, it's $287. Well, what's 50% of that? Let's call it $143.50. Right? So being able to walk away with another 140, let's call it $140, 68% probability of that happening. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm not a big fan of losing $200, but Netflix doesn't owe us anything. I don't mind putting a little more risk on the table, and we've got 58 days for Netflix to march somewhere into here and be able to take that money off the table. All right? Because once we cross over here, time will work in our favor, right? So if we stay anywhere to this left side, this will be your theta switch here. We're going to be able to see this pink line as time marches on will work against us. Okay, everybody, we're going to go to the confirm and send phase of these videos. We're going to right click this trade, choose confirm and send, and review that which we've already said, actually. We know we could lose this, right? That's that bet with your friend, your $2.13 bet. To make $2.87. That's pretty close to a 1-to-1. You're actually risking less than you can make. So that's why the probability is less than 50-50. But that's okay, right? Because we have a pretty good chance of being able to take half and say, you know what? We'll take half and run. The bet's off. You can't do that in real life, right? You can in this world. So, all right, everybody, I'm going to hit send. That's going to put it into my working orders. And that's over here. We've got a working order for Netflix. To be honest, also, I have another working order over here in IRA. I'm going to try to take diamonds off in my IRA. I might also try to take it off in the, I think I have it in the margin account. Let's see, do I? I do. Yeah, this might be worth taking off at this point because, we're near that 21 days to expiration. Apparently, I have a different expiration over here in the IRA. I don't remember doing that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. I made point of doing a different trade on that one. So, yeah, I feel like we're pretty close to that 21 days to management on this one. We do have a profit. So I'm probably going to try to close diamonds today. How you guys doing? You looking forward to the holidays? I hope so. But anyway, if you've made it this far, this is where I give you your thumbs up. I don't get to click a button, but you can. If you feel like I've earned that thumbs up, would you mind clicking that? If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't already, that's okay. We'll be here doing our thing for the day that you do decide to join us. All right, everybody? Until I see you after the holidays, I wish you happy trading.